I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Slides. So we're going to go to slides.google.com. And once again, Google has a template gallery, so you can choose from all these types of templates as to what you need. But we're just going to start with a blank template. As usual, it's an untitled presentation as of right now, so we're going to rename it Kines 205. They have different themes, so you can change your theme to any of these themes, totally depending on what your preference is, or if you want to be more creative styled or more professional styled. Totally depends on what your preference is. Here you can click to add your title, and here you could add a subtitle, so let's just put my name. To add a new slide, you click the plus arrow, but if you click the drop down arrow, it will give you a selection as to what type of slide you would like to add. So if you want to add one that has a title with 2 text boxes, or one title and a text box, and right here you can insert a picture of some sort. If you drop down, you can insert a picture from your Google Drive, your Google Photos, or from your computer. You can also, if you feel like you have more room, let's say we insert a picture up here, okay, well I can add a text box of my own right about here, and we can type in whatever we want. You can change the font size, you can change the background, you can choose the color and change the color of the background, so we can make it a dark red. You can also change the theme or the transition type. Changing the transition type right now from slides 1 to 2, there is no transition, but if we slide from right, we can apply that to all slides, or we can change it. But if we do that, it would do slide from right to come in. If we click on this one and we add a gallery view, it would, once you play it, it would gallery like that over to the next slide. You can also exit out of that. You can click new slides up here. You can also delete a slide up here. You can add audio or video. Once you click insert, you can add your audio, video, text box, table, shapes, charts, diagrams, word art, lines. You can also present using this button. So once you're ready to present your PowerPoint, you click this button up here to start your presentation, and it will go full screen. You can also use a pointer on the screen to point out that this is the title, this is my name, etc. And that is Google Slides.